Hi guys, welcome back to the Pedagogy TLS. This is Abdul Ghafoor and you're watching YouTube channel. So let's discuss few more questions. In previous video, I discussed the fine motor, gross motor, reflexes, and perceptual motors, right? So this is an extended part of that video. So I'm sure you can easily now identify that these are the movement: walking, jumping, and climbing. So these are the large muscles. So large muscles means gross motor. Moving to the next, you can see here the reflect to delay. A child struggles to button a shirt. This reflects a delay in what? Delay in the fine motor skills, right? For sure, the gross motor is not developed yet. So that means they're struggling with the fine motor skills. It's not the social behavior. Moving to the next. Even though you can practice, you can search about these things, okay? Which skills involves coordination with between eye and hand, okay? So hand-eye coordination. This is the term we are using, hand-eye coordination, okay? You should know what is eye and hand-eye coordination. Then we have the what is the behavior of a children playing side by side, not interacting, called. So we remember we discussed the parallel play and cooperative play. Cooperative play, that means interacting. Parallel play means playing alone. In every question, there are the two questions or options are wrong and two are closely related. What is the term for the child looking at a caregiver to decide how to react in a new situation? Now, in a new situation, that means something is not, familiar. Many children, they stuck in a problem or in a certain situation, they look for help or assistance from somebody. So we call that's in a social referencing. They need somebody who can help them or guide them to get out from that situation. Then we have a which term describes the formal emotional bonds with the caregiver. This is we call the attachment. This theory was given by the John Bowlby, and he described four stages in which one is from the birth to 6 weeks. Then we have 6 weeks to 12. You know that the weeks which we call indiscriminate, discriminate, and multiple. So I'll suggest you just go and find out the attachment theory, John Bowlby, and their stages. Then we have the which of the following best describe tantrum? Now, tantrum is actually an intense emotional outburst, right? So you should go for this. Make sure you have a good command on the tantrum as well as. Then we will discuss the next question. What is this? This part. When a child begins to understand and manage their feelings, this is called the not social referencing. Definitely, it will be the self-regulation. Self-regulation. So make sure that you know about the self-regulation, self-awareness as well as what term refers to child understanding that the others have a feeling as well as empathy. Children from 4 to 5 years old, they are girls and boys. They show their empathy with their mother and father when they are in a certain problem or such situation or when they are upset. A child uses banana as a telephone in play, and then this is an example of the symbolic play, pre-operational stage, Jean Piaget. Okay, from which year? Four to birth to 2 to 6 or 7 years. Then we have a child cannot understand that water in tall glass is the same amount as in a. This we call the conservation. Make sure you know the conservation that when a shape of an objective changes, it does not affect the quantity. Please have a look on the term conservation as well as you know. Then we'll go for the concept that object still exists, right? For sure, this is a permanence, object permanence, Jean Piaget, 6 to 9 months. Ages are important, right? This is a sensory stage, part of the sensory stage. Then, according to Vygotsky, the support an adult gives a child to learn a new skill is called scaffolding. It's also called a ZPD model. It's also called a theory of learning and development. So you should make sure you know the different and multiple concept that has been given. What is a ZPD? ZPD is actually skills a child learn with the guidance. Okay, so there are the three zones of the ZPD. Child can do it without support, with support, and cannot do even with support. So these are certain questions I wanted to share with you. I hope this will help you a lot. For next things, share this video and subscribe this channel so you're gonna keep posted. We'll be meeting in the next lesson. Till that, stay blessed.